Are you ready to take control of your WordPress site's user access and give your team exactly the right permissions? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a custom user role in WordPress, and by the end, you'll be able to change the default user roles and fine-tune who can do what on your website. This is really useful if you want more flexibility for site management, security, or even just organization. Let's jump right in. The easiest and safest way to manage user roles is by using a plugin. And that's what I recommend for most users. You don't need to touch any code. Just a few clicks in the dashboard. Two great options are the Members plugin or User Role Editor. Both offer a clean, user-friendly interface designed for non-developers and pros alike. First up, installing your chosen plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins section on the left and click Add New now in the search bar. Type in either User Role Editor or Members depending on your preference. Once you see it pop up, click Install Now. That part might take just a couple moments, and then be sure to hit Activate. Now the plugin is up and running, ready for you to use. Next, let's actually create a custom user role. Go to the new menu item that appeared after you activated the plugin. It could be Users Right Arrow User Role Editor or Members Add New Role, depending on which plugin you picked. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to name your new role, like Moderator or maybe Support Agent. Pick something meaningful so you or others always know what this role is for. Now here's a little shortcut that can save time. You can select an existing role, such as Editor or Contributor, to copy its base capabilities. This way, you don't have to start entirely from scratch. For example, if you want your new Moderator to do almost everything an editor can do, except maybe publish posts, you can use Editor as your template. When you're ready, click Add Role or whichever button the plugin offers. Moving on, let's define exactly what this role can and cannot do. The plugin will show you a list of capabilities. These are like switches for each kind of permission. You'll see options like Read, Edit Posts, Manage Categories, and a bunch more. To help you decide, Read gives basic site access, Edit Posts is for content management, and Manage Categories lets users organize topics. Check the boxes based on your needs. Remember, you can always tweak these later, so don't stress if you're unsure. Click Update or Save to lock in your changes. Now you've got a brand new user role ready to go. To assign it, either add a fresh user by going to Users, Add New, or edit an existing account. In the Role drop-down menu, you'll see your custom role. Pretty cool, right? Choose it, save, and your user now has those specific permissions you set. Just like that, you've expanded your site's flexibility and security. Custom roles mean you're not stuck with WordPress's built-in options. You can tailor access so every team member has just the right tools and nothing more. Don't worry if it takes a bit of experimenting to get this perfect. You can always come back and adjust roles and permissions anytime. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there are other WordPress tutorials you'd love to see. And if you want to keep mastering your website, subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your WordPress site.